So ito yung sir, flowchart ng server 3. Um, my server that attached 9 is initials the server motor and tells the Arduino that it is connected to pin 9. Serial that begin 9600. The serial communication with a baud rate of 6900, 6000, 9600. And the looping, if serial available greater than 0, check if there is data available in the serial. If data is available, integer angle equals serial parse integer, reads the integer value from the serial and stores it in the available angle. So my server that right angle sets the position of the server motor to the angle received from the serial monitor. So the server motors allows to control the position by sending integer value representing angles through the serial monitor. So dito sir, magta-type tayo ng bar para umikot yung server motor.